everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to easily fix the D3DX943.dll missing error in Windows 11. This DLL file is crucial when it comes to playing certain PC games, as they can get installed without this file, and then when you start playing the game you get this annoying error and you don't know what to do. But the procedure is super simple, so you just have to go to your browser and access the link that I posted in the description below. It's an official DirectX runtime web installer that is available on the official Microsoft support page. In here you will see an orange download button which you have to click, but of course make sure to select the language you need for the installation process. And after you downloaded the installer, simply run it. And then the usual procedure of accepting the agreement and being careful not to install the Bing bar, as you have plenty of bars and plenty of search engines already available in your PC, and then simply waiting for the installation to complete. And voila! Now you can simply restart your PC if you want, then keep on gaming. It's very likely that you'll never get a DirectX error anymore for any of your games. That was pretty easy, isn't it? As usual, for more information and details you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.